The Ohmni Telepresence robot is the best choice for remote communication. With its advanced mobility and intuitive design, our customers continue to tell us that Ohmni lets you feel as if you're there in person, no matter where you are in the world. At nearly 5 feet tall, it's the perfect height for natural, face-to-face interactions, whether you're seated or standing. Ohmni is equipped with a large, high-def touchscreen, state-of-the-art microphone and speaker, and multiple cameras to deliver crystal-clear communication in any environment. With Ohmni, you can tour the factory floor for remote inspections or bop into a co-worker's office for an on-the-go meeting. And with the full tilting neck and zoomable lens, you can get an up-close look at whatever you desire. From manufacturing to education, or even healthcare, Ohmni Telepresence is the most versatile solution to meet your remote communication needs.